Welcome to Spanish for Nomads, episode number 15. I'm Sarah Thompson with Carlos Mendez. Today, you'll learn useful Spanish for shopping at a farmer's market and inviting someone to cook together, while improving your habits and connections as a nomad. Let's get started. Picture this. You're at a busy mercado. Your stomach is growling, and the vendor is smiling, but you only know a few words. By the end of this episode, you'll be able to ask prices, request amounts, check if something is fresh or organic, ask to use a shared kitchen, and invite someone to cook with you, all with simple, repeatable lines.
Quick roadmap. We'll teach 7 high-utility phrases with slow pronunciation and English translations, show short, polite, and friendly variations, tie these lines to daily habits and confidence tips, then run a role play from market to shared kitchen. Finally, you'll get a 48-hour market challenge script to use immediately. Ready? Vamos!
Let's dive into phrases 1 through 4, the vendor basics. I'll say each line naturally, then slowly with syllable breaks. Then translate it into English. Repeat after us when we pause.
Hola, ¿cuánto cuesta esto? Try it with a smile. The vendor will respond with a number and maybe the currency.
Phrase 2. ¿Cuánto cuesta por kilo? Slow. ¿Cuánto cuesta por kilo? English. How much is it per kilo? Use this for fruits, vegetables, or meat when sellers price by weight.
If the vendor uses units instead of kilos, ask, ¿Es por unidad or por kilo? English, is it per unit or per kilo? Practice both short lines to avoid confusion.
Is organic? Is organico? Is it organic? And you can ask, ¿Está fresco? ¿Está fresco? Is it fresh? These are quick checks that protect your health and help you choose better ingredients.
¿Me puede dar medio kilo de tomates, por favor? ¿Me puede dar medio kilo de tomates, por favor? English. Can you give me half a kilo of tomatoes, please? Use medio kilo or un cuarto de kilo for smaller amounts.
¿Qué me recomienda para una cena rápida y saludable? What do you recommend for a quick, healthy dinner? This opens a chance to get local tips and bond over food.
When you want to ask about kitchen time, use phrase 6. ¿Puedo usar la cocina compartida esta noche? Slow. ¿Puedo usar la cocina compartida esta noche? English. Can I use the shared kitchen tonight? A polite alternative. ¿Hay un rato disponible en la cocina comunitaria? Is there a time available in the community kitchen?
¿Te gustaría cocinar juntos esta semana? ¿Te gustaría cocinar juntos esta semana?
Would you like to cook together this week?
¿Nos vemos para cocinar un día? Shall we meet to cook one day?
Notice how these lines do more than get food. They create reasons to return to the market, plan meals, and meet people. Regular market routines improve your daily energy because you eat fresher meals, save money compared to eating out, and look more put together when you have predictable meals. Small habit. Buy ingredients for 2 meals every market run. That doubles your social chance to share food.
And confidence tip, when you use the vendor's language, even a few words, you instantly look more respectful and approachable. Smile, use a short phrase, and follow up with a question. That combo builds connections fast.
Now we'll do a short role play. I'll be the vendor, Carlos will be the nomad buying ingredients. Then we'll ask about the kitchen and invite a neighbor to cook. Listen for tone and rhythm, then replay the lines yourself.
Hola, buenos días. ¿Qué busca?
Hola, ¿cuánto cuesta esto?
2 euros the kilo.
Perfecto. ¿Me puede dar medio kilo de tomates, please?
Claro. ¿Algo más?
¿Qué me recomienda para una cena rápida y saludable?
La pechuga de pollo y las verduras a la plancha. Rápido y fresco.
Sí, hay libre después de las 8. ¿Te gustaría cocinar juntos esta semana?
Perfect. Me encantaría. Gracias, everyone.
That roleplay shows how short lines connect into a real interaction. Now for your immediate practice action, the 48-hour market challenge.
Tips. Bring a small reusable bag. Smile and offer to split a small snack if you invite someone to cook. If you feel shy, ask for coffee first, a low-pressure step before a full meal. These micro habits make social cooking easy.
If you want extra help, grab our downloadable phrase sheet and the Market Challenge checklist at nomadlifesuccess.com/market. It includes audio model lines you can play before your trip.
That's it for today. Practice these phrases and habits this week. Remember, learn Spanish, optimize yourself, connect deeper.